I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Goodgrips OXO peeler. So this is really helpful if you're peeling potatoes, if you want to make mashed potatoes, if you're peeling carrots or celery or any kind of vegetable. And it's got a really sharp blade on here on both sides. This pivots so it can basically conform to the shape of the vegetable or whatever it is that you're peeling. I find it's even sharp enough that you can do things like take a slice of skin off of a lemon or an orange if you're going to make a drink with it, for example. And this pivots from side to side, and you can basically just easily get in there and do that peeling. Another thing I like is that on the tip here, it's actually got this little divot shape, and this is if you have an eye on your potato or a bad spot on whatever you're peeling, you can actually dig in and just scoop that out really easily on there. Very solid. I don't like the kind of flimsy peelers where they even feel like they could bend if you're really putting effort in. This is nice and solid plastic here. And then one of the best things, it's got this really solid grip rubber handle. It's got these extra little rubber bits on the side so you can really grip it. And especially when things are wet and you're working with a little blade on here, you really want to have a solid grip. You don't want your hand to slip up here and hit the blade. So this is a really nice way to get a really solid grip with your fingers when you're going and peeling whatever it is you're working on. I use it all the time to peel potatoes. Again, that little divot is super helpful, and you end up with mashed potatoes that are really creamy, don't have any of the skin left over, and are nicely colored too because you don't end up with the bad bits in it at all.